Hi everyone. In the previous video we have studied about the static binding, virtual functions, dynamic binding and polymorphism. In this video we'll be covering exception handling. Now what is exception handling? Exception handling is a concept which is used to handle the unwanted errors or used to handle the user driven errors like divided by zero when a user or when by mistake we divide any number by zero, so any number cannot be divided by zero, so it is an error, so used to handle that kind of exception. Or if you want the user to enter a positive value and user enters a negative value, that is another kind of case, so that is an error, so that is a kind of exception which can create errors in your program, runtime errors in your program, and your program will get crashed. So exception handling consists of two things: try and catch. Try is used for writing the code and throw exceptions. Try is used in the try part, will be in the try block, we'll be writing our code, and in the catch block it is used to catch the exception and print the error on the screen. And a try can have multiple block of catch. In this video we'll be covering this much part, that try and catch, and the third part, a try can have multiple blocks of catch, will be covered in the next video. So this is a program of exception handling. There is no need of classes for apply exception handling, so I didn't use it. In the main function I asked the user to enter a positive value. Int value, I have defined any variable, and for this value I'm taking the user value in this value variable. In this part, try part, I am checking that if the value is less than 0, then throw -1. This is throw exception. This is another part of try. If you want to throw any exception, you need to use this throw. Whenever this throw will occur in the program, my code will directly jump to the catch part, and my catch part, this is the argument, this is throw, so I have written here -1 in integer, so it will jump here, and it will see that it will print an error that you have entered negative value and exit the program. Exit is used to just come out of the program and end the program, and if there is no error, then this throw will not occur, so this catch part will not occur, and you have entered this value will be printed. So let me just compile it program and run it. I'll print it 7, so you have entered 7. Now I am printing 0, you have entered 0, and now I am printing a negative value -7. See, you have entered a negative value. Whenever the value is less than 0, it will be throw -1, and it will go into this part. -1 will go in here, so it will be understood that this catch will be executed. This -1 concept will be understanding in the next video, when I'll write multiple catch blocks in one try statement. So there is the error is printed that you have entered a negative value. So this is about the exception handling basics. We have used one try, one catch. Try part is used to write the code and throw exceptions, and catch part is used to catch the exception. This exit 100, this 100 has been printed here, that the process returned 100 with an exit status, that this code will be stopped here. If I change this value, I'm gonna change it to 80 something. I can write here any value. 80, and I'm gonna just compile it and run this program, and I'm gonna enter negative value. See, process return 80. So this is about the exception handling. In the next video we'll be covering that part, that a try block can have multiple catch statements. Thank you.